Good morning, beekeepers. It's August the 2nd. It's about 8 o'clock in the morning and it's 68 degrees. Yeah, we had a cold front come through with a little bit of rain first time. Barely made it in July, but it was a good heavy rain, cooled off, and we're going to go do an OA treatment. Little oxalic acid, Easy Ox. Got to use that. We're using using an Instantvap light. I showed this to you a while back. I really love this thing. I use a 7 amp hour Chinese battery. Works great. I can get all of my hives done with one battery. And we're gonna go do some treatments. Here we go. All right, we're gonna do number 6 first. Show you how this is done. I'm not going to do any inspections or anything, so I'm not using any smoke. And here's, all right, since we have a screen bottom board, we're supposed to put an insert in. That insert doesn't fit, but it's close enough. All right, since we're using a double deep, we use 4 ounces of the Easy Ox. So we take the plunger and we stuff it down in the bag, compacting 4 ounces of the oxalic acid in the plunger. Once it's full, I put my glove back on because I couldn't get the bag open, because they don't like this stuff. So you want to wear your PPE. Also need to wear my mask. So we take the device, the light writes red. We put it off to the side and put a towel over the other side. And we put it on there and let it start smoking. Once the fast blink goes away, then it's done. Okay, it's gone to a slow blink, which means it's charging. And they recommend that you leave your, see, it's still putting some out. And now I'm gonna move on to the next one. This is one thing I forgot to tell you. PPE, you have to have a respirator. This stuff will take your breath away and it's very bad for your lungs. So don't do it without it. All right. I'm going to do these 2 on the east side. I'll try to do them as rapidly as I can. Alright, here we go. Cover up the entrance. And shoot it. As you can see by the bees coming out the front, they're not really fond of this. That's why I wear a full bee suit. And not all hives do this, but you don't want to be caught off guard. Okay, while it's charging, Yeah, they're unhappy. Alright, so it's charged. It's ready to make another hive unhappy. And that's how you do it. I got 2 more to go. Be back in a minute. Alright, here we are on the east side. And I think I've got enough charge left on my battery to do 1 more. Now the bad thing is I use these really cheap Chinese knockoffs, and the batteries don't last very long, so mine are just about done. Alright. A mostly charged battery. Something else I wanted to tell you. This plunger, this part gets really hot. Hold it by the spring. And the end up here, it's labeled, says hot above that red light. It's hot, so hold it by the neck. Everything will be good. Now the light version takes a little bit longer to charge up than the bigger ones. It's charged now. For a commercial, this would probably be too slow, but for me, I got plenty of time. It works great. Now, oxalic acid is an organic acid. It dissipates relatively quickly, within minutes, and it's completely gone. It's not a chemical-based treatment. It's completely organic, and it doesn't harm the bees. Had people use it way over the dosage requirements and not hurt a thing. apparently it's good for any temperature, but most people treat it in the spring and the fall. But the recommendations are at least once a month you treat them now to control the Varroa mite. That's what we're after here, is controlling the Varroa mites. Now my last hive is one to properlize the entrance. It may be a little tricky. What I'm going to do on it, I'm going to have to remove the entrance reducer. And hope there's enough room. Okay, on this last one, I'm going to pull that entrance reducer and hope that they've left enough room to get OA treatment in there. Oh yeah, nothing to it. And it's already charged. And there we go. That's the last hive. So you see the fog. It circulates real well through the hive. And wearing the respirator is miserable. And I guess that's why everybody wants to do these treatments in the fall, because it's terrible. All right, we're almost done. All right, what I'm going to do is a lot of people are treating once every 5 days to reduce, because this doesn't kill what's under the cell cappings. So we want to get each cell, each cycle to get a real good kill rate. And I'm going to at least do 2. All right, that's all I've got for today. All 6 of my hives have their first treatment. I know the PPE, the mask is difficult, but believe me, you don't want to breathe this stuff. It can stop you from breathing completely, real quickly. So don't go without the PPE. Treat your hives to get rid of the mites. Got some more videos that I'm working on. We'll be getting ready to go here in the next few days. All right, don't forget to like and subscribe and throw me some comments out there. We love to hear from you. We'll see you on the next one.